I'll demonstrate how to use Canva to make money online in this tutorial. And this is a pretty straightforward, understandable procedure. And in this video, I'll walk you through all you need to know. The nicest part of this approach is that you won't require your own website, which can be a major barrier for those who lack the coding or website building skills, and doing it can take a long time. You won't need to go and build your own website to do this with this specific strategy for making money using Canva. So that removes a major obstacle. And in a few easy stages, I'll walk you through all you need to know. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money online doing this same method. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Canva, it allows us to essentially create things online. We can use the templates in it to go design these particular things. In a moment, we'll delve more into what Canva does, how it functions, and how we can utilize it to earn money online. But just in case you are unfamiliar with Canva, I wanted to offer you a little overview. Therefore, the first thing you need to do is head over to the Google Keyword Planner, as it is known. Actually, this has nothing to do with Google, but I utilize the Google Keyword Planner to see whether a particular template is in demand right now. I'll give you an example now. You may simply enter a keyword planner into Google to use this for free. And now I'm off to look up fresh keywords. And I want to be certain that it is there everywhere. And all I do is enter a lot of keywords from a template here. In social media, for instance, I might add a Facebook template, an Instagram template, a Facebook cover template, a YouTube template, a TikTok video template, or in this case, an Instagram template. Therefore, I did what I did and added an Instagram template to this keyword tool, and it has informed me that, let's just say, 60,000 to 70,000 individuals seek for Instagram templates online each month. We are aware that people are looking for these particular templates. Therefore, we can actually use the statistics to go out and make money. Instagram template demand is something we are aware of. In order to sort of see what's popular, you can use the Adorable or the Google Keyword Planner. You can enter YouTube templates, I'll enter YouTube template, or you can enter like YouTube thumbnails or something similar, and we get some results. Therefore, it is a little bit lower, as we can see. Thus, this receives approximately 14,000 queries each month. We'll thus continue to use the Instagram template. But let's just conduct a ratio research to see what is trending and what kinds of themes are most widely used. We want to do this for a cause, of course. Therefore, for our current tutorial in Canva, we're going to use the Instagram design. You should therefore visit Canva, register up a free account there. Go ahead and create a design, and then I'll get you to publish something to Instagram. Okay? And after that, what we can do is make customized Instagram posts based on these themes. You could be thinking, well, I don't need to make an Instagram post. Why would I need to do that? Well, by doing this, we can truly profit. As you can see, there are many different kinds of templates from which to choose. We only need to click a template. We can then move the object around at that point. The text and other things can be changed. In essence, Canva is a platform that allows us to design graphics, logos, banners, and templates. We therefore refer to this as an Instagram template. This may be moved about, and the picture can be altered. We now have a wide range of options. That's fantastic. But how does doing this truly generate income? I'll explain. Therefore, we are aware that people are looking for Instagram templates online in order to buy Instagram templates. So, what we can actually do is visit the Etsy website. And if we go to the search bar and type in Instagram templates, we can actually see what is there. Etsy is thus comparable to a website where goods are sold online. They stand there and offer a wide variety of goods, including toys, furniture, clothing, and other items. But what we actually see in this situation is that Instagram template sales are taking place. As a result, folks visit Etsy to search for Instagram templates, after which they buy them because they require them for Instagram. As a result, he has 70 plus Instagram templates. If we click on this one, we can now genuinely tell if these are well liked or not. Thus, they are being sold by these folks for $35.30. The reviews for my currency of 200 reviews. If we scroll down, we may click on the newest. And recently there was a review. Now, often, this does not imply that this is the complete list of purchasers. However, Typically, only one reviewer will be found out of 20 to 30 purchases. However, it is clear that some people have genuinely bought this particular collection of templates. We have another one here if we come back. Modifiable templates in 48. Since its lower templates are not as attractive as the others, this is definitely a better illustration. However, as you can see, these templates do have a few reviews, albeit a small number. People are therefore probably not truly purchasing this one. However, if we return here, we can find more. So, here, you can do things like beauty templates and puzzle templates. We have templates for inspirational quotes, but if we categorize them according to the best customer reviews, these would receive much more reviews: 20 reviews, 20 reviews, 14 reviews, 85 reviews, 800 reviews, especially for the wedding Instagram story, bundle story template, Instagram, and stock. And these specific templates are available for purchase. Okay, and there are a lot of nasty reviews, guys. Therefore, 800 just based on the reviews. Although they undoubtedly witnessed the same thing, others who did this for the store did so. However, based on these assessments, I believe that 826, we can actually generate money by doing all kinds of stuff, like maybe sports templates, in which case Instagram sports templates, like this one right here, 9 Instagram tech and fitness templates, and gym templates. So what we can do is return to Canva, which is located here, and enter sports or gym in the appropriate field. Hence, this is a sports wagon. All the sports options are available here. However, some of them require the Pro Edition. So I'm going to select this one because I prefer it. And what we can do is carry out various iterations of this. Since you probably can't use this picture, you might be wondering, well, how can I go and obtain a picture? You can go to Google and search for royalty-free images. Furthermore, you can visit sites like Pixabay, Unsplash, and Pixels.com. Additionally, they have access to royalty-free, non-copyrighted photos that you can use, but you must first read the license to ensure that you are permitted to do so. So, if we visit Pixels.com, there are several images available for use. If you have a license, it will specify whether you are permitted to profit financially from the photos, templates, and other materials. Therefore, be sure to study the license and other relevant documents. However, in essence, you may enter whatever you want on this specific banner template right here and create template bundles. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Another free one is available here that you can change whatever you like. All you have to do is click the download button to have it downloaded to your computer. After that, all you have to do is make an Instagram pack. There's a gym here, a gym there. You can do so much more, so that's what you want to do. Additionally, you may do styles and access more options here. Let's try this one. For instance, you can actually create the same banner even though the color varies. I should say that the template is the same. Additionally, you can alter the color by selecting a new color style in the style area. Therefore, the same template might be used in as many as 20 different color schemes. You could also sell that. Therefore, once you've built your Canva packs or your pack of templates, you should head over to Etsy.com, sign up, and create a listing similar to what these individuals have done here. Additionally, you can never really run out of ideas. YouTube thumbnails are available. Additionally, you can market YouTube thumbnail packs and individual thumbnails. Therefore, there are a lot of different things you may do to establish these kinds of PAC. Simply create one or more templates of the same type, and then alter the color schemes if you want an easier way to do it. It's incredibly easy to quickly create a template pack in this method. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching,